And then going down the list here, we're going to want to go to branding on the left hand side and make sure you add a watermark, because this is how you can get a couple extra subscribers. So you just click add watermark, and then you can upload something. You can upload like your profile picture or something, or you might want to upload a little button that says subscribe, like download an image of a subscribe button and put that as your watermark. So I just uploaded my logo for now, so then we can just hit save. And there we go, the new watermark is uploaded. Now the reason I recommend adding this watermark is because it'll appear on the bottom right hand side of your YouTube videos, and this actually allows people and gives them the chance to click it and then click subscribe, because when you click this watermark or hover over it, a little subscribe button will come up. So this is just a nice little way to get a couple extra subscribers. And I recommend not using the default settings, so you're going to want to click custom start time and put entire video. Make sure your watermark appears for the entire video, because then it gives people more of a chance to see it. And then click update.